This question is from sisters again. She's asking, I am a fully hijabi and my family and my mom, they don't like it. And it reached a point of whereby sometimes they tell me bad words. I don't want to respond to them I don't want to respect them. Even my twin brother tells me, you look weird, but I'm still wearing it. I don't know what to do.
Tell your twin brother to try it for a week. Maybe he will like it. This is very bad, unfortunately. When the child is interested in pleasing Allah and the parent is interested in angering Allah. And this is what we started our lecture with. Who should you obey? Definitely Allah. Now, the hardship is when everyone is against you. But always remember, how was it when the Prophet ﷺ was giving da'wah? The whole world was against him. Not the whole community, the whole world. Prophet Ibrahim, the whole world. Ummatan, alone. He was alone in the whole entire world. Did he budge? Did he retreat? Was he weak? No. So when you are on the path that pleases Allah, don't look around. Don't look behind. Don't care what the people say. I haven't seen any dogs here in Kenya, alhamdulillah. Do you have dogs? I saw one when we were going to the University of Mount Kenya. They were selling 3 dogs, I think. The hotel, I didn't see any. Anyhow, alhamdulillah. But I tell people, what do bullies want? When a bully comes to you, say, you're a bodyguard of the Sheikh. Look at you, you're skinny. You don't have even muscles. Why don't you eat? Why don't you do this? Why don't you work out? What does a bully want? To sadden him, to depress him, to provoke him to say offensive words to the bully. Then the bully says, look what he's doing. He's a bad person. When you walk the streets and a dog starts to bark, would you fall on your hands and knees and bark back? The dog will say, ah! What are you doing? It's not logical. Why? Because he's a dog and I'm a human being. I'm someone way up. So when bullies come and harass you because of your religion, don't defend yourself. Don't argue with them. Because this is what they're expecting you to do. What to do? Just smile and let them bark. They keep on barking, saying bad words, saying this, and comes from here, goes out from here. After 5-10 minutes, they will feel ashamed. Why am I barking and he's not replying to me? So they will stop. They will try again after a few days, and then they will stop. And after a few months, they know that you are a man of a very high caliber, or a woman of a high caliber with belief. And inshallah, Allah will avenge you.